Hi everybody, my name is Emily Duncan and I teach 8th grade language arts. I just wanted to check in really fast about a couple things that might be specific to my class this year. First of all, the students every single day will fill out their planner as soon as they get to class, which has every single item that they need to do for homework written in it. So if you ever have questions about what's going on for the day or what homework they might have, you can ask them to see their planner and it should all be written there. They will also have homework every single day for my class, and that is to read for at least 25 minutes from a book of their choosing. We call it IR, independent reading. If you could encourage them to do that and check in, ask them what they're reading, that would be awesome, because the goal is for them to read more than they ever have and hopefully to enjoy reading and to love it by the end of it. So also, if you have a great book recommendation, please tell them. We don't use Google Classroom a ton in my room. However, if there is something that they will turn in on Google Classroom, I always have the students denote that in their planner. So they'll write GC next to that. So if you ever see that, then that is something that they'll turn in there. You're welcome to join our Google Classroom for the things that are due there if you want to see kind of what's going on with that. You are also welcome to check out Infinite Campus at any time to see if your student has missing assignments, late work, what their grade might be. So please feel free to check that often. And lastly, I just really encourage the students to come see me if they have a question or some kind of issue, and then we will try to solve it as best as possible. I just really like to try to encourage that independence. But if you ever have questions as well, please let me know, and we will work together to try to get your student to where they need to be. So I'm just really looking forward to this year. I already love my group of kids, and I am so excited about watching them grow. Please let me know if there's anything I can do for you. Email's probably the best way to get to me. It's duncanemily@plesval.org. So thank you so much for sharing your kids with me, and I will talk to you soon.